Do you have big dreams? I mean really big dreams, but not sure how to make them happen? This might be the solution you are looking for. Have you ever heard of a company that will build a business for you and guarantee your success? Pays you a residual income, offers you new and advanced technologies and products, both physical and virtual, that you are already using for one low price and a one-time out-of-pocket payment? Onpassive is the total financial freedom we all seek, because all the work is done for you by Onpassive. If you have ever wished you were at the beginning of Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, and Bitcoin, then we strongly suggest that you take a look and evaluate Onpassive for your business needs and your social interactions. Onpassive is marketing in over 200 countries and will soon be available in over 100 languages. Join us as a founder and you will share in the Onpassive revenues. But don't delay. The chance to be part of this incredible company is closing very soon. Then, once we launch globally, you might join us, but not as a founder. Thank you for your time, and we hope you will join the more than 1 million global founders who see the value of Onpassive.